Hey everyone, it's Colin, how's it going? There are plenty of decent third-party controllers for retro game systems out there, but some people prefer using the originals. This time, let's take a look at a kit that'll bring those vintage controllers into the wireless era. This is the controller mod kit from 8Bitdo, who kindly sent a few my way to review. It's a replacement circuit board for original NES, Super NES, and 6-button Genesis/Mega Drive controllers that give them wireless connectivity. It connects through Bluetooth to 8Bitdo's line of retro receivers, or to Windows, Mac, Android, Steam, Nintendo Switch, or Raspberry Pi devices. The kit includes a lithium polymer battery that's rated for 7 hours of playtime and recharges in an hour or two. There's also a USB charging cable along with the only tool you'll need for installation, a screwdriver. And that installation process is thankfully very easy. Just unscrew the controller's casing, pull out the original circuit board and its cable, drop in the new mod board, then button the casing back up. You don't need to do any cutting to the controller because of some clever design around the charging port. It uses a small barrel connector that fits into the spot the cable originally went and includes LEDs to show status like power and battery life. This does mean that the charging cable is proprietary, but I think it's a decent trade-off given the ease of installation and that it allows the mod to be undoable. The modded controller works about as well as 8Bitdo's other wireless models. Since it uses Bluetooth, there's a very tiny amount of lag, but nothing too noticeable. It's also worth noting that the kit doesn't add any buttons or other features like rumble, motion control, or NFC. It just makes the original controller wireless. But the biggest thing is that it keeps the feel of the original buttons and D-pad, which some retro gamers find really important. There are also versions for the NES and Super NES Classic Edition controllers if you'd rather mod one of those. And the price is pretty appealing at $20 US for the kit, especially since the installation process is approachable even by those who are new to console modding. So if you prefer an original controller but want modern wireless convenience, this mod kit might be enough to give you the best of both worlds. Big thanks to 8Bitdo for sending these kits my way to review. I'll include a link down in the description. If you liked the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at thisdoesnotcomp. And as always, thanks for watching.